What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. This is a review of my dirty little secret, the iPad mini 5th generation. Now, this came out about 6 months ago, but I just picked it up maybe 2 weeks ago at this point, and I picked it up because I had a Galaxy Tab S6, and that tablet, which is an amazing tablet in terms of performance and the screen and the features within the software, was giving me awful battery life. Standby time was awful. It was literally dying every single night, and I wasn't even using it. And I'm done with that. I'm just completely over it. And plus, it's kind of on the big side as well. I use my tablet mostly in bed, and this iPad mini is a perfect size. The size of the display on this iPad mini is 7.9 inches. The design of it overall really hasn't changed at all in the 5 generations that it's been out. It still has the old school home button with Touch ID built inside of it, which is awesome. This Touch ID is so accurate and so fast. I absolutely love it. Also, it does have an old school headphone jack at the top. So if you want to plug in a pair of headphones, you still can with this tablet. Power button at the top, volume buttons on the side, and just overall, the performance on this thing is a beast. It's got the A12 processor on there, which is last generation's processor. They have A13s in the phones currently, and the A12 is still lightning fast on here for everything that I do, from jumping around the operating system and going in and out of apps and using apps and gaming and watching videos, and again, just moving throughout this tablet. It's been awesome. Also on the spec side, the one I got, 64 gigs of storage. There's no micro SD card that you can insert or anything like that. You can buy all the way up to 256, but I got the 64 gig and it's been perfectly fine. I still have like 30, 40 gigs left of storage because I'm not really playing games on this all that much. What I'm doing on it is I'm watching videos, I'm surfing the web, I'm using just, Twitter and Facebook and Instagram and social media apps, stuff that just fits into my lifestyle. I mentioned earlier that it is the perfect size, and I use this, like I said, in bed, and when I lay it down, it's perfect. It's not too big. I can be close enough to it so I'm not like, oh my God, this is overwhelming. It's just a great size for a tablet. It fits in one hand, as you can see, so I can hold it in one hand with no issues at all. And I think they did a great job in terms of its portability. Two things that I don't really love personally about this tablet, one of them being it is a lightning port at the bottom, so almost everything that I personally use is USB-C charging. This one is lightning still, so I don't have a bunch of these cables lying around my house like I do USB-C cables and chargers. So the convenience factor really isn't there, but overall, it's not that big a deal because of the fact that battery life is amazing on this. I'm getting days and days and days of battery life. I'm not using this for like 10 hours a day. Don't get me wrong, but I use it, hour or two per day, if that. And standby time is amazing. Just for my personal usage of this, I'm getting days and days of usage out of it before I have to charge it. And then when I do charge it, it charges really quickly. The other thing that I don't love that much about this tablet is the quality of the display. It's an LCD. It's not a super AMOLED display like you get on a Galaxy device, a Galaxy Tab S6 or so like that. So it's not the most vibrant. It's one thing that I had to kind of take a step back, but again, for what I use with it, it's been perfectly fine. Would I love it to have a super AMOLED display? Without a doubt, it would completely blow it out of the park. But again, for the usage that I'm using it with, it's fine. So when you add all of that up, for me, it's a fantastic tablet. I love the portability. I love using it in bed. I love, just using it while I'm walking around the house. I like being able to, I have a little case that I put it in and it stands up and I can use it that way and watch videos and look at, websites and apps. And I have a headphone jack, so I can use that to listen quietly when I'm in bed or, just around the house so it doesn't bother anybody else. The speakers are also pretty decent. With this, I'll let you hear a little sample. It's got a fingerprint sensor so I can unlock and buy apps with it when I need to. The screen is decent in terms of the quality. The size, I absolutely love the size of the screen. And so I would give this, if you're looking to, get an iPad of some sort, this is a great one to get. The size, the price of this, $399. You can also get one, cheaper if you look around. Amazon's got them currently for like $385, or you can buy one on Swappa with a warranty a lot of the time, with like Apple Care built into it for like low 300s. So it's a great tablet. I absolutely love it. If you want to pick it up, it's linked down below. Thanks for watching. See you down the road. Peace.